Welcome to Gracia's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make corn preserve. This way you will have the corn all year in your pantry. You don't have to put the corn in the fridge or the freezer. We'll start with the preservatives brine. That's 2 liters of water, 2 tablespoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You whisk everything until everything is dissolved and you put it aside. We have to start by taking the corns one by one. You can cut it with a knife, but keeping the roots will preserve it for longer. The first row is always harder, but it will get easier when we finish the long ways. This way is so easy. No time at all, and it will be off. After getting all the corn, I'll top it with the preservatives brine. I'll put it on medium heat until it boils. While the corn is on the stove, I get a bigger pot and put a tea towel and bring it to a boil, so whenever I put the corn in the cans, I have to seal them. After the corn started boiling, it's time to put it in jars. Don't forget to top it with the brine. Here's another jar. Don't forget to top it again with the brine. I'll close straight away and put it aside so we can boil it and seal it. After putting the corn in the jar, I have to put it in boiling water for 20 minutes so the jars seal. 20 minutes after boiling, we take the jar out. Then we put it upside down until the next day. And that's the next day. Our corn is ready to be stored in the pantry. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please give me a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check our Facebook and Instagram. I'll post the link in the description box below.